Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you that how you can remove the background in Adobe Photoshop app or how you can change the background. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Photoshop app and then we have to open this. And after opening the app, as you can see, we have to choose the picture here, that which picture you want to remove the background, or in which picture you want to change the background. So firstly we have to choose that image here. I'm gonna choose a random image of a single person. As we can see, as we can remove the background easily. So for example, I'm gonna choose this image here. So let's click on this. As you can see, now simply what we have to do, we have to scroll this here, and after scrolling this, if you want to apply these colors, you can also do that. So I'm gonna applying this one. And now simply what we have to do, we have to go to the background option. We have to choose the background option. So let's choose that. Let's click on this background, and after clicking on that, as you can see, now here's the background. If you want to change the background, you can also do that. Colors are also provided here, or if you want to remove the background, you can also do that, as you can see. So now simply what we have to do, we have to, as you can see, you will get the remove background option here. So we have to click on this and the background is removed. So in this way you can remove or change the background of your picture in the Adobe Photoshop app. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.